1534 Lady Ann in Streetsboro. This trailer has just been updated. It's a very, very nice trailer, and also has plenty of storage. It has its own storage shed right there. So that's there, and you have a nice covered patio here. Enjoy your evenings, especially in the summer and spring and fall. Let's go inside. We've totally updated this property so as you can see, we put all new flooring. This comes with all the appliance packages. It has a stove and a refrigerator. You see we redid all the cabinets, all new hardware, all new flooring. We've got brand new countertops. They're gorgeous, easy to clean. New luxury vinyl flooring in the living, all throughout. Actually, we put all new paint, ceiling fans, lights. And it also comes with a washer and dryer. Pretty good sized bedrooms. This is your smallest one. This one's a 9 by 7. Has a nice big closet. Also, you have washer and dryer here. That's included. Serviced heater. Also, you have a nice brand new bathroom. Again, nice new countertops. Tub's been redone. It's gorgeous, easy to clean. It's got an 8-year warranty on that, and also a new toilet, all new flooring. Then you got the master bedroom here. Again, we got the dual paint, new lights, plugs, switches, blinds. Everything's been gone through. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous trailer. A lot of room to grow. This is your virtual tour. Come out and see 1534 Lady Ann. Thank you. Have a great day.